Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Hiba, let's take an example. Okay. So what are we going to do here is, remember when we discussed that, okay, you are asked to draw a triangle, and to draw a triangle, and first we discussed, okay, if you want to draw a line, sorry, a line segment, what dimensions do you need? You just need one thing. You just need to know its length for the line segment, and then you can just draw a line segment, right? If
Yeah.
someone is asking you to draw a square, how many dimensions do you need?
4. No, 1.
One. Very good. Okay, then because all of them will be the same. Then if someone's asking you to draw a rectangle,
2.
two. Very good. The length and the breadth. If someone's asking you to draw a circle, what all dimensions do you need?
The radius.
Very good. Just the radius. Okay, just the radius. Similarly, if someone's asking you to draw a triangle, you can draw a triangle with various things, with various measures. Either all the three sides are given to you, which is known as the SSS, or SAS, which is two sides are
angle
given
side.
to you, and one included angle. Yes.
Yeah.
Or you have ASA, that two angles are given to you and one side is given. Or you have RHS, that one right angle is given, one hypotenuse is given, and one side is given. Okay.
Okay, understood.
So these four things are the things that we need in order to be able to draw a triangle. Okay, so the first, let's focus on the first one. What will happen in a case if someone is asking you to draw a triangle, construct a triangle where all the three sides are given? Okay, so let's take an example. For example, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 7 centimeters. These are the sides. So what is the first step that we need to do, Hiba? Remember this, okay? Remember step by step.
First we will take the smallest centimeter, the smallest number.
Not necessary. See, you don't always have to take the smallest one. You can take any of these, but the first step is to draw a rough diagram. Okay?
Of what?
Of the triangle. A rough diagram of the triangle that we are going to draw. So you will draw a triangle like this. 5, 6, 7. It's a rough diagram, okay? So you don't have to draw it to the scale or anything. Just randomly draw one in one corner of the sheet, okay? And then name it A, B, C. Fine.
Okay.
Now the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to take our scale and draw a line segment BC of 6 centimeters. Okay. B, C, 6 centimeters. Okay. Yeah, you know how to draw a line segment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you draw a line segment BC of 6 centimeters? And why BC? Because this is why we drew the rough diagram. Okay. Done till here? About done till here?
Can you repeat it again?
Yeah. I said the first thing we need to do, step number 1 is to draw a rough diagram. Step number 2 is to draw the base of this. Okay, the base. The base over here is the one which is horizontal. That is BC. And what you need to do is, you need to take your scale, and you know how to measure a particular line segment, right? Or if you are given a particular measure, then you know how to draw a line segment of that length, right? So you just have to draw a line segment of 6 centimeters, because this base is 6 centimeters.
Okay. And then we will measure 5 centimeters
on your compass. Now do one thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so one thing that we can do, Hiba, is they have asked us to, this should be 5 centimeters, right? So our AB has to be 5 centimeters. Now, but the thing is, 5 centimeters can be here also. Like, this can also be 5 centimeters, right? From here to here. And from here to here, this can also be 5 centimeters. How do we know? Or, there can be so many, not just 1 or 2 or 3, infinite number of 5 centimeters we can have. So if you notice, this is actually a circle. If you take all of the points that can be your point A, the distance from B should be 5 centimeters. So that is forming a circle, right?
Yeah.
This is why we use a compass whose radius is 5 centimeters. This is why when you take your compass, so let's say this is your compass. This is like the needle part of it. Okay, and this is the pencil part of it. Fine. So the distance between the needle and the pencil should be 5 centimeters. That means you are drawing a circle, or rather you are drawing an arc of radius 5 centimeters. You know what's an arc, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a part of the circle. So till here you understood, Hiba?
Yes.
So what you need to do is, now you will ask, well, where should I draw the arc? Should I draw the arc over here, over here, over here? Where should I draw the arc? So when you take your radius 5 centimeters, just draw an arc somewhere, like draw it over here, like this, from here to here. So how will you draw it? You will keep your needle. Now listen here. You will keep your needle, the needle of the compass, you will keep at B. Okay. So the needle, the compass will look like this. This is the needle part, and the pencil part will be over here. And you will rotate it like this and make an arc over there. Got it?
Yeah.
Fine. Now, this was your point A. Now listen, your point A is going to lie somewhere on this arc. But we don't know where exactly. So what we can do is we can take a hint from this side, AC. AC, the length of AC is how much? 7 centimeters, right? So we need to draw an arc. Excuse me. We need to draw an arc of radius 7 centimeters. How will we do that? Keep the needle at C. So how do we write it? We write with C as center. Draw an arc of radius 7 centimeters. And that arc, should it be over here? No. That arc, you can look at your diagram for reference. That arc should be, let me tell you how it will be. Okay. This green arc is going to be like this. Okay. The one that we drew previously. And then the blue arc is going to be like this. This is how it's going to be. And the point where they are both intersecting, that will actually be your A. So you
Okay.
don't draw the arc like this, but you draw it in such a way that it intersects the previous arc like this.
Okay, I understood.
Good.
Can you give me 1 minute?
Sure.
Okay, I'm back.
Done till here?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now this point where these both arcs are intersecting, you name this point as A. Okay. So are you seeing how did we find out where exactly A is? A is going to be the intersection of AB and AC. Right. So then you mark this point as A, and then the next thing you do, done till here?
Yes.
The next thing you do is you join AB and you join AC. So look at the figure and tell me. Maybe your figure might be a little different from mine. If it's possible, can you show me your triangle using either the camera, or you can send it to me on WhatsApp. But sending on WhatsApp sends like takes quite a lot of time. So you can just show it over here.
I haven't drawn it.
Hmm?
I haven't drawn it.
Okay. Have you done till here?
Yes.
Okay, then you can send it whatever you have done to me.
Okay. Wait a second.
Yeah, you can complete it and send it to me.
Okay. But I didn't correctly measure all the centimeters.
Why not?
I was listening to you.
Okay, see, so when we're talking about practical geometry, right? So this is a chapter in which you have to listen also, and you have to keep on doing along with the teacher, right? So no problem, let's do another one. So it's a good thing that you listened very carefully. Now let's do another one. And in this, we are both going to do it together, okay?
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take a triangle. Okay. Let's take a triangle which has sides 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. And about one thing I'll suggest is that you don't have to take the smallest side as the base. No. In fact, I would suggest that you take the biggest side as the base. The reason being, जो आपका कॉम्पस होता है ना, अब लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपने चूज किया कि चलो 6 सेंटीमीटर्स को वी आर गोना मेक दैट द बेस, ओके, सो यू टेक दिस द बेस and then what you have to do, you'll have to take 8 centimeters. Are you listening, Hiba?
Yes.
You'll have to take 8 centimeters on your compass. So your compass will have to expand a lot. It will become like very very, उसका angle बहुत ज्यादा increase हो जाएगा. So it will be difficult for you to control it. And even 10 centimeters हो तो और ज़्यादा increase हो जाएगा. So it will be difficult for you to control it. So that's why it's better to take the base as the largest side. Okay. I mean, it's not a problem if you do any of those. It's just for convenience. ठीक है?
Okay.
Fine. Now, Hiba, you're going to tell me what is the first step we're going to take here? What is the first step we're going to do?
We are going to draw a triangle for
a rough figure.
A rough figure.
Fine. So हम सबसे पहले ये decide कर लेते हैं. So first we're gonna make a random triangle. Now we're gonna decide कि base पे हम चलो 10 रख लेते हैं. Fine.
Okay.
We have to decide on one thing. And then this can be 6 and this can be 8. Fine. Let me know when you're done till here.
Yes, I drew it.
Now name your vertices as A, B and C or whatever question में अगर PQR लिखा है तो आप PQR लिख दीजिएगा.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm done.
Done. Now it comes the actual construction. So what is the first thing you'll have to construct?
We are going to construct the line segment of 10 centimeters.
We're going to construct BC, line segment BC of 10 centimeters. So let's do that. Let me know when you're done.
Okay, I'm done.
Is it 10 centimeters exactly? Can you please measure it again with your scale?
Okay. Yes.
Good. The next thing, Hiba?
We are going to take the measure of 8 centimeter and draw an arc.
Very good. We're going to draw an arc using the compass. Okay, using the compass, we're going to draw an arc of 8 centimeters with C as the center, right?
Yeah.
With C as the, center. So you have to be specific about that as well. So you take an 8 centimeters arc radius and you make an arc that's going to go all the way over here. Fine. Done?
Yeah.
Now we need to, next step.
Take a measure of 6 centimeter and draw an arc.
Arc.
And we have to intersect with the
previous arc.
Yeah.
Okay. See, Hiba, when you're saying we have to make an arc, you have to be very specific. Okay. For example, let's say you were giving instructions to your fellow classmate. if you just tell your fellow classmate that we have to take this centimeters measure and draw an arc, she will ask you, Hiba, draw an arc where? So then you will tell her you have to keep your compass needle at B,
Okay.
right? So when you're giving instructions, be very clear. Okay, so with B as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters. I'm gonna write it here so that it becomes easy for you to remember these words. Okay, with B as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters intersecting the previous arc. Okay. So, okay, we take an arc and we draw this. It's going to be somewhere over here.
And then we will draw a point in the center of the intersecting arcs.
No, you will say you will the point where they are, what you are saying is correct, but I'm just rephrasing it. The point where they are intersecting these two arcs, their intersecting point, we will name that point as, or we will mark that point as A. Fine.
Okay.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Now can we take, now what's the next step?
Now we will like make a triangle.
We are making a triangle step by step.
Like
Mhm.
we will connect B and A.
Yeah. Join A and B. Okay.
Yeah.
Join A and B. Then next step,
Join A and C.
join A and C. Very good. Does your triangle look like this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you have a protractor with you, Hiba?
Yes.
Measure angle BAC and tell me.
How do we measure them?
Okay. Hiba, do you remember one day I told you, I showed you how to measure an angle using a protractor?
Yeah.
Protractor क्या होता है? Your protractor is that semicircle shaped thing.
Yeah.
So see what you'll do here is, which angle do you want to measure? I asked you to measure angle BAC, right?
Yeah.
Angle BAC is this angle, this one. So what you'll do is, you will take your protractor. Let me just make it like this, okay? You will take your protractor, वो थोड़ा ऐसे होगा. इस तरह से आपका protractor होगा. Let me. ठीक है? And protractor में if you notice, बीच में एक ऐसी वो होती है. It's like ऐसे बना होता है. It's like this. So this is your protractor. और बीच में एक ऐसे बना होता है.
Yeah.
90 degrees टाइप का बना होता है. Can you see it?
Yeah.
तो ये जो होता है ना आपके प्रोट्रैक्टर में, दिस वाला पॉइंट, this should coincide with the vertex of your angle.
Okay.
Okay, so where should that point be? It should be over here. यहाँ पे, ये यहाँ पे होना चाहिए आपका वो वाला पॉइंट, एकदम exactly A पे होना चाहिए. एंड आपका जो ये पूरा प्रोट्रैक्टर है वो ए बी से इट शुड बी एग्जैक्टली ऑन दैट लाइन, टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, understood.
Hmm?
Okay, understood.
Good. Now can you tell me कि ये जो लाइन आपकी AC वाली लाइन नजर आ रही है, so there will be a lot of markings on the protractor. Can you tell me कौन सी मार्किंग पे ये AC नजर आ रही है आपको? Which number is over here?
90 degree.
Very good. So this angle BAC is equal to how much?
90 degree.
90 degrees. So this triangle is what kind of triangle?
Right angle.
Right angle triangle. Very good. Okay. So Hiba, can you do exercise 10.2 entirely by yourself?
Yes.
You can do it by yourself.
Actually, I have done the first two questions
In school.
Yeah, like I did them by myself too.
By yourself. Very good. Excellent. Yeah. So can you do the question number 3 and 4 by yourself as well?
Yeah, but I didn't understand the fourth question.
The fourth. You understood the third one?
Yeah.
What did you not understand in this?
Like, what do they mean by measuring angle B?
Just like over here, I asked you to measure angle A. That's what you did. You measured the angle using a protractor. That's what you have to do in that triangle. Let's say, so let me just draw a rough figure for you. Okay. So question number 4, it's going to look like this. AB, let me just draw it like this. So do one thing. You take BC over here. This is your 6 centimeters. Fine. AC. AC is how much? 6.5. And AB is 2.5. They are asking you to measure angle B. This angle you have to measure using the protractor. Okay?
Okay.
Now you understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I have to measure BC or AB?
You have to measure the angle B. This angle, bacha, angle ABC. So let me tell you how it will be. So your protractor, it's gonna be over here like this. Okay. The center of the protractor, जो point अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया था, it's going to be over here exactly. ठीक है? एंड फिर जो मार्किंग्स है ना, उसमें आप देखेंगे कि कौन सी वाली मार्किंग से ये वाला कोइंसाइड हो रहा है.
Okay, I understood.
Okay, good. See, there are going to be two sets of markings, right? एक होगा कि यहाँ से it will start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Not 2, 3, but 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. It's going to start from the right. फिर एक जगह ऐसे होगा कि यहाँ पे 0, 10, 20 करके होगा. So you just have to think कि which readings should I see, which markings should I refer to. तो अब जाहिर सी बात है, अगर यहाँ पे 180 दिखा रहा है, तो this angle is not 180, no?
Yeah.
This angle is 180, like this. So you will look at वो वाली readings. Are you understanding my point?
Yeah.
Okay. जब आप खुद measure करेंगी ना, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा.
Okay.
Fine. So question number 3 and 4, you're going to do by yourself, inshallah.
Okay.
Now let's come to exercise Okay, we've done that exercise. Never mind. So now the next thing we're going to do is, what did we discuss? Something's wrong with my tablet. Just a minute. Let's come to SAS. Fine. So, अब let's say SAS में क्या होता है? You have been given two sides and one included angle. है ना?
Yeah.
So, okay, let's say you have to draw a triangle such that दो sides, let's say it's like this, A, B, C, ऐसे है. ठीक है? तो they are telling you that ये वाला जो side है, it is let's say 5.5, ये वाला side 3 है और इनके बीच का angle let's say 60 degrees है. ठीक है? So you have to draw it like this. What can we do? First step, which is हमारा rough figure तो हो ही गया. Now the second step is आपको base बनाना है. Base बनाइए. That's going to be the same, right? So draw the base. Construct the base rather. BC of 5.5 centimeters.
This is SAS rule, right?
Yeah, SAS. Done?
No.
Okay. Let me know when you're done.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Now, you have to draw this line. You have to line segment. You have to draw the side AB. Now, the thing is, it's already given to you that it is over here, for example. We didn't know where did it go. Okay, I think I erased it. So, initially, we didn't know कि AB हमारा इधर होगा या इधर होगा या इधर होगा. That means we didn't know कि वो कौन से angle पे होगा, है ना? But when it comes to SAS condition, SAS rule, हमें उन्होंने पहले से बता दिया कि वो 60 degrees angle पे होगा and 3 centimeters radius पे होगा. So what you need to do is first you draw an angle of 60 degrees over here. How do you draw an angle of 60 degrees? So there are two ways of doing it. या तो आप उसको अपने compass से बना लीजिए या फिर आप उसे अपने protractor से बना सकते हैं. Okay, so let's use the protractor only. So what you do is you keep your protractor over here. Okay. Keep your protractor over here. This is the center of the protractor. जहां पे वो 60 degrees बोल रहा है ना, it's gonna be somewhere over here like this. जहां पे वो 60 degrees बोल रहा है वहां पे just mark a point.
The small numbers or the big numbers?
Heba, see, they're going to be 260 degrees. एक left side पे होगा, एक right side पे होगा. You have to look at the one that is on the right side.
But when do we have to look at the one that's on the left side?
When you are making a 60 degree like this, जब आप एक ऐसे 60 degrees बना रहे हैं, then you will look at the one at the left side.
Okay.
Got it now?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay,
Fine.
I mark this 60 degree.
Yeah. Now you do one thing. You mark this point जहां पे वो 60 बना रहा है. Now you remove the protractor.
Okay.
Okay. Now you connect these points scale से, connect these points, आगे तक connect करते ले जाओ ऐसे करके. Fine.
Like more than like that.
Just connect it till a random point. It doesn't matter. The exact length doesn't matter right now.
Okay, I have done it.
ठीक है. Okay. Now you take your compass. You take your compass and you make a 3 centimeters का radius लीजिए compass में.
Wait a second. Can I draw the 60-degree again?
Yeah, sure. Do that. And after drawing it, please measure it also.
Okay, I've done it.
Okay. You take a 3 centimeters radius in your compass. ले लिया?
Wait a second. Okay, I have.
Okay. Now with that radius, okay, with 3 centimeter radius and taking B as the center, draw an arc cutting this line segment.
We have to connect with C.
No. See, draw an arc cutting this line segment. ठीक है? ये आर्क बना लिया आपने?
But do we have to connect it with B or C?
Right now you're not connecting it with anything. You are just making an arc on top of the previous line जो 60 degree वाला angle आपने बनाया था ना, उस line पे आपको ये arc बनानी है.
But why did we measure 3 centimeters?
Because this is our 3 centimeters.
So how much is the arc?
3 centimeters.
So how do I draw the arc? Like,
You have to put the, that's what I said, keeping the needle at B, with B as center. With B as center means जो आप arc बना रहे हो उसका center is B. So the needle should be at B and then you draw the arc of 3 centimeters. Understood now?
okay, I did.
Done. Good. Name this point as A.
Okay.
Done.
Yes.
Now join A and C.
Okay, I did.
Now the thing is, if you want, you can erase the rest of the part जो A में से extra part निकल रहा है ना, you can erase that.
Okay.
Okay, you don't have to be very precise. बस वो लंबा सा निकलता हुआ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, so I erased it. Fine. So this is the triangle that you've gotten. Can you do one thing? Now आपको क्या करना है, you have to write it, okay? I forgot to mention that you have to write the measures also in these, the side के measures और angle के measures जो आपको given है ना, वो आपको लिखना है. So can you share a picture of your triangle and do one thing, measure all the three sides, not three sides, two sides and this angle जो भी आपको given था ना question में, that please measure it and just recheck. ठीक है, just confirm कि आपने सही triangle बनाया है.
Okay. Okay, it's correct.
Good. Can you send it to me? Or
Yeah.
never mind, don't do that. It's gonna be time consuming. Let's take
Okay, I'll
another
send you
question.
later.
Yeah, send me later. Let's do another one. Exercise 10.3 का question number 2 करते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay.
Can you read out the question?
Construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degrees.
हाँ, so now this is in words, right? So we don't know how to, for us to construct this, it might be a little difficult if we don't draw the rough sketch. That's why it's always, recommended to draw the rough sketch. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We'll just draw a random triangle. What are they saying? Isosceles triangle, the length of each of the equal sides is 6.5 centimeters. So let's name this and this as the equal sides. So 6.5, 6.5. Yahan tak kariye.
Can we name the other two sides as 6.5?
You want to do it like this? Like this?
Yeah.
But Hiba, your base, आपका जो base है वही you have to draw the base itself, right? You don't know this side. This is given to you as 6.5 and this is 6.5. But you don't know this one. ये तो आपको इसकी length तो आपको पता नहीं है. So the one that you will draw on your notebook, that has to be a specific length, right? अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे? We were drawing 5.5. We were drawing 6. We were drawing 10. 6. So you have to have that as a specific one. करने को तो you can do that also. You can rotate your notebook and then do this. But why would you do that? Like, why would you rotate your notebook for no reason? Isn't it easier to do it like this?
Yeah.
अगर आप ऐसे करेंगे ना तो you'll have to rotate your notebook to do this. Like, since you can't draw the horizontal one now. Why? Because horizontal one का तो आपको पता ही नहीं, you don't know the measure of it, right? So now what you'll have to do is you'll have to rotate your notebook. And जो भी हम कर रहे थे, आपको notebook टेढ़ी करके करना पड़ेगा. You'll have to draw a 6.5 ऐसे करके आप draw करेंगे यहाँ से यहाँ तक. And then you'll do the rest of it. So let's do the easier one, right?
Okay.
Fine. So ठीक है, यहाँ तक आपने rough sketch draw कर लिया?
Yes.
Now what is the other piece of information that's given in the question?
That the angle between them is 110 degrees.
तो उसको भी mark कर लीजिए अपने notebook में. Angle between them is 110. Now one more thing is that Hiba, we are gonna erase this and make this rough sketch again. Or if you want, you can just strike it off like that and make it again. Why? Because 110 degrees is an obtuse angle. It's not going to look like this. ये तो हमने acute angle बनाया हुआ है ना? 110 degrees is an obtuse angle. So our angle, it's going to be obtuse like this. और what we can do is 6.5 हम यहाँ लेने के बजाय हम यहाँ ले सकते हैं. Okay, and then we will make an obtuse angle. So इसको हम काट के let's make it like this. So I'm gonna make the rough sketch again. Okay, obtuse angle है, so it's gonna be more than 90 degrees. That's why it's like this. ठीक है?
Wait, I understand why we have to take an obtuse angle.
110 degrees. हमने क्या किया था हिबा? We wrote 110 degrees like this. ठीक है? यहाँ पे अगर हम लिखते हैं 110. Does this, ये जो हमारा rough sketch है, ठीक है, it is
an
rough.
acute angle.
But yeah, exactly. But it should look somewhat like the reality, na? ये तो from no angle it is looking like an obtuse angle. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So at least थोड़ा बहुत तो लगना चाहिए कि वो 110 degrees है, even though हम उसको precisely measure करके नहीं बना रहे हैं अभी rough sketch में, but at least it should look like an obtuse angle. That's why we are just making the rough sketch a little bit differently. ठीक है? So now this is what the rough sketch will look like. 6.5, 6.5, and then that thing. One more thing हिबा, जब आपको SAS वाला कंडीशन मिले ना, तो आप ट्राई करना कि आपका एंगल जो हो वो थोड़ा वो आपके लेफ्ट वाला एंगल हो, नॉट द राइट वन, बिकॉज देन अगेन यू विल हैव दैट कंफ्यूजन कि प्रोट्रैक्टर में हमें लेफ्ट वाले नंबर्स को देखना है या राइट वाले नंबर्स को देखना है. ठीक है?
Okay.
So just try to keep it on the left. Till here you have done your rough sketch.
Yes.
Now what shall we do? Wait, before that हमें ABC लिखना है. ABC. ठीक है?
Okay.
Next.
We will like measure the base.
Yeah, we will draw
and
out the base. Yeah, we will draw BC of 6.5 centimeters.
6.5 centimeters.
And one more thing हिबा, आप ना उसको एकदम पेज के मार्जिन के पास मत बनाना, बिकॉज रिमेम्बर आपका जो एंगल बनने वाला है इट्स गोना बी ऑब्ट्यूज, तो इट्स गोना गो आउट ऑफ द पेज अ लिटिल बिट. सो मेक योर बीसी थोड़ा इस रफ स्केच को ध्यान में रख के बनाइए अपना बीसी. मेक इट अ लिटिल बिट ओवर हियर टुवर्ड्स द राइट ऑफ द पेज.
Okay.
Done?
No, wait a second.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
Now what do we do?
We measure we measure the angle.
Very good. We draw an angle of 110 degrees. ठीक है? तो now bring out your protractor. It's going to be over here like this. I've drawn it a little bit weirdly. ठीक है? उसका जो center होना चाहिए should be exactly at B, at the point B. Now look at 110 यहाँ पे होगा. मिल गया?
Yeah.
Okay. So you mark that point. उस point को just mark it.
Okay, I'm done.
And then remove your protractor.
Okay.
and then join these 2 points, और थोड़ा आगे तक ले जाइए, इन दोनों को join करके थोड़ा आगे तक ले जाइए यहाँ तक.
Okay.
और one more thing you can do is that जब आप join कर रही हैं तो make sure कि ये जिस distance